The reason why I'm doing this video is because obviously I was upset by the fact that a company such as Amazon, so humongous, a giant like Amazon that's making billions, would try to steal $10 from me a month.
Just like on YouTube, to give brain some new food.
Hello people, and welcome back to the channel. If this is your first time on the channel, a special welcome to you. I ask that you check out the rest of my videos. If you like what you see, give them a thumbs up, leave a comment, but more than anything, I'm asking that you subscribe to the channel. There's not a lot going on in Jamaica at the moment. At least there's not anything going on that I would like to talk about on my channel. And as you guys know, if I'm not discussing politics or things going on in Jamaica or with Jamaicans or with black people around the world, if I sign on and the topic is not about that, the topic can only be about one other thing: myself. So today I'm going to be discriminating against Amazon, the titan of e-commerce. That's what Amazon is described as, a titan of e-commerce. So for most of you who don't understand what is a titan of e-commerce, Amazon is a giant of all giants of companies that sell things online. And like Google, like Netflix, Amazon is up there, it's famous. The owner, CEO for Amazon is probably one of the richest person in the world. And if people should ask, how did Amazon get so rich? On the surface of things, you will say, well, it sells things online. It started with books, and then now you can get from a pin to an anchor on Amazon. It's one of the biggest, most gigantic retailers online worldwide. But is this the only way that Amazon makes its money? Is it a straight-laced company, or do they have little back-end deals or dodginess? I don't know, but what I have experienced personally make me suspect of Amazon. Recently, well, not recently, about 3 months ago in August, for most of you who don't know, I have a goddaughter that lives in the UK. She's 15 years old. And my goddaughter wanted some things off Amazon. And I says to her, don't worry about it. I'll pay for it, order it, and get it shipped to you in the UK. And that's exactly what I did. So I did that in August. And when I got my bank statement the following month, I believe, I could see where that was deducted from my card. And my goddaughter again wanted something in September. So again, I ordered something from Amazon and had it sent to my goddaughter using my credit card. Anyway, that was it. I made 2 orders from Amazon and that was it, people. So my credit card statement keeps coming after that, October, November, which is this month. And I'm still seeing Amazon deduction on my statement. It's about $9 in US, which is 9 francs, and the next one was about $10, which is 10 francs. And I decided to contact Amazon and ask, what exactly is being deducted from my credit card every month, because I've only made 2 orders, and that was months ago. Come to find out, Amazon is telling me that I applied for Amazon Prime, and that is my monthly deduction. I've never applied for Amazon Prime. I have Netflix and I'm happy with Netflix. So the reason why I'm doing this video is because obviously I was upset by the fact that a company such as Amazon, so humongous, a giant like Amazon that's making billions, would try to steal $10 from me a month. You understand? It was stealing $10 from me a month because, listen, I knew exactly how to apply for Netflix when I was applying for Netflix. And I know exactly how to apply for Amazon Prime. I don't want Amazon Prime. I want Netflix. So at no point did I apply for Amazon Prime. I didn't click a button that says I want Amazon Prime. I didn't choose a basic or multiple rooms or whatever they do on Amazon Prime. I simply never applied for Amazon Prime. But the simple fact that I used my credit card on Amazon.co.uk was enough for Amazon to take my credit card details and start billing it every month for Amazon Prime. And for that reason, I titled this video Amazon Crime, because it is a crime. So as distraught as I was and as annoyed as I was, we have that online chat. They said they will send me a link so I can unsubscribe. I didn't subscribe in the first place, but I said, okay, send me the link so I can unsubscribe. And they say I would have my refund. So click the link, unsubscribe, then I got a confirmation that your Amazon Prime is now canceled and you will be refunded for this month. Not the 2 months that they've been deducted in. You'll be refunded for this month. So here's the trick. This is the trick. Here's the thing. There are not a lot of people that combs with a fine-tooth comb through their credit card bill every month. So what Amazon is relying on is the trust that people gives to Amazon and the comfort that they have with their credit card, and also the trust that they put in their credit card, that what reflects is actually what they actually spend. And these little $5, $7, $12 that comes off your card, Amazon gets rich off your back, even though you're not benefiting, or you can consider they strong-arming you into a service. I've never watched Amazon Prime. It's not in my household, and I don't know anyone with it. Am I aware of it? Of course I'm aware of it. I have a smart TV, and it shows you that you can apply for Amazon Prime if you want it. I don't want Amazon Prime. So Amazon is hoping that you never see this deduction, and even if you do see this deduction, they will cancel it. But guess what? They already got your money. And even if you take this to court, let's say you are as technical as me and take it to court. One, you probably spend more money than it is worth taking it to court. And two, by the time you take it to court, they probably have some digital evidence that said somewhere down the line you actually agreed for Amazon Prime. So the Amazon already thought about this, how you're going to lose. You're going to lose. So whether it's $10, $20, up to $50, most of us will just say, it's a little bit of money. Let that go. But I see through this. I see transparently through this how big giant companies like Amazon can rob the little people of $5, $10, and then present themselves like they're a fair trading business. They're hustlers, they're criminal. And that right there was not respected by me. I recently did a blog called Plastic Kills. And that blog involved a company called Baker's, which supply dog food, Aldi, and Lidl. I'm not going to say too much about the blog. I'm going to put the link in the description below so you guys can check out the blog and tell me what you think of that experience that I had with the three companies. Lidl is the latest one that I had a problem with. Here's a problem that I had with Lidl. I went out, me and my wife, and we bought a pack of salad, like we always do. When we got home, my wife was, sharing out the salad, only to find a big chunk of hard plastic in the salad mix. Decided to contact Lidl and tell them that I found a big chunk of plastic in the salad, which could choke any consumer off your salad. So it was not appreciated, In the blog, I described two other experiences. One was years ago and one was not so long ago. Just my luck, right? Anyway, In the blog, I described a compensation which bakers had given me when I lived in the UK years ago. So I got contacted by Lidl, and Lidl was like, oh, I'm sorry to hear about the experience, blah, blah, blah. These things do happen. We will take special care in the future. And here's a compensation for your inconvenience. Guess how much the compensation was, people? Yeah, I have it right here. So this is a gift card from Lidl. And this is a compensation for my inconvenience of the plastic being found. I'm giving you all a moment, but obviously I'm going to tell you. It's for 10 francs. 10 francs. 10 francs is the equivalent of 10 US dollars. To me, I wasn't expecting millions. Tell me, I'm gonna leave this one for my subscribers. Give me a feedback. Should I feel insulted, which I do, to receive a compensation of $10, or should I appreciate it and says it was a kind gesture? Let me know, people. Anyway, like I say, I'm going to leave the description of my blog in the link so you guys can read and let me know what you think of the overall blog. Let me know what you think of the Amazon crime, and let me know what you think definitely of this 10 Swiss francs compensation from Lidl. That's pretty much it, people. Like I said, there's not a lot going on. Maybe there's a lot going on and I'm not aware of it, but you, my subscribers, are more than welcome to send me information via my email or any of my social media. Let me know what's going on, what you guys would like me to talk about, so I can research it, get acquainted with it if I'm not already acquainted with it, and then put it on my channel just to have a chit chat like we normally do. Anyway, people, as you know on this channel, I appreciate thumbs up, thumbs down, agreement and disagreement, because at the end of the day, people, each one teach one. I've reached the end of my video, and that in itself is a support that I truly appreciate. And while I'm at it, I will take this time out to let you guys know other ways that you can support my channel. The first and simplest way that you can support my channel is by giving this video a thumbs up. And the second and most important way that you can support this channel is by hitting that subscribe button and subscribe to my channel and follow me through my YouTube journey. Other ways that you can support my channel is by going to my Teespring online store and buying some of my merch. And another way that you guys can also support this channel is by joining me in Patreon to give me a contribution to support what I do on YouTube and what I do to entertain you guys. Once again, I want to thank you guys for your continuous support and ask that you join me, Ian T. Sebast, on YouTube and see where my journey takes me. Until next time, people, peace.